technology and professionalism among those engaged in the field of ICT in our country. The annual National IT Conference organized by the Computer Society of Sri Lanka is one of the topmost IT events in Sri Lanka. At a time when priority has been given to information and communication technology in all development work, the conference comes with an appropriate and timely theme, exploiting ICT for collaborative development. ICT solutions span various functional or business areas such as education, health, commerce, agriculture, and culture, as well as communication. The use of ICT development in communities requires new skills and approaches from a variety of professions. In most cases, there is no single agency that carries responsibility or authority for development by means of ICTs. Therefore, it is important to identify who owns the responsibility and accountability. In such a collaborative approach, one has to consider the infrastructure, connectivity, and use. The language of resources, that is, the ability to use computer in local languages. Coordinated approaches and skilled human resources, and ICT awareness in rural communities. Many countries in this region face a widening digital divide, that is, between those who have access to information and technologies and those who do not, and also between those who are able to successfully use ICTs and those who cannot. Sri Lanka is one of the countries in the region that has taken ICT extremely seriously. The year 2009 was a landmark of the ICT history of Sri Lanka. The declaration of 2009 as the year of ICT and English created opportunities to start a series of programs to realize the benefits of ICT for development of the country. With the initialization of these projects, there will be a commendable increase in empowerment of the people through knowledge enhancement, leading to fields of employment and wide opportunities for economic development. The National ICT Strategic Plan, formulated by the Ministry of Telecommunication and Information Technology, will translate the vision of the government of Sri Lanka into a set of policies and actions to enable the use of ICT as a tool for national development. The government has realized how our economic growth and development can be fueled by the use of ICT. Today, in Sri Lanka, the priority has been given to information and communication technology in all development work. In such an environment where ICT is playing an integral part, the role of ICT professional becomes vital. The ICT professionals should fully aware of the current trends in ICT. Further, they should apply this knowledge to collaborative development, to empower the people with technology, and to improve the lives of the community. The professional conduct is vital in this regard. Those who are engaged in ICT should maintain professionalism in all their work. It is not only the technology or the processes, we have to maintain the professionalism in all our work. The Computer Society of Sri Lanka is the visible face of the ICT professionals of this country. While promoting professionalism, the Computer Society is committed to support the ICT initiatives at national level. The Society has embarked on national level programs to harness the full potential of ICT to benefit all Sri Lankans. Some of these programs are ICT for rural areas, professional development programs, special interest groups, the National School Software Competition, and IT Quiz for students. The IT Quiz is a new project we started this year. Very soon you will see there will be a series of TV programs on this IT Quiz for students. Again, on National School Software Competition, we conduct this competition at national level, and we select a team. From the winners, we select a team and send them to participate in an international competition, which is held in one of the countries in the region. I happy to say the last year our team, our team became the runners-up in the International School Software Competition that was held in Chennai. This is the 29th National Conference, National IT Conference, organized by the Computer Society of Sri Lanka. As last year's, the objective of the conference is to bring to attention recent developments in the ICT field and facilitate the dispersal of knowledge among the ICT fraternity. The conference is a unique opportunity to ensure that the ICT-related issues facing the industry are heard and valuable knowledge and experience of the prominent speakers drawn on to contribute towards addressing these issues. The NITC 2011 will play a vital role in discussing the collaborative development within the context of Sri Lanka and the region. During the 2 days of the conference, 24 papers, including 6 keynotes, will be presented by prominent and regionally well-known both foreign and local speakers. The conference has a line of very interesting topics such as next generation shift in IT solutions, the threats of cyber war, information risk management, the e-government picture, cloud computing strategy, impact of new directions in IT, IT security, implementation of IPv6, mobile payments, banking, and social networking. I would like to thank our sponsors for their support and contribution, without which this conference would not have occurred. Our gold sponsor, Wipro India, silver sponsor, Mobitel, silver sponsor, Millennium IT and Hitachi Data Systems, silver sponsor, SAS Institute India, silver sponsor, IBM Sri Lanka, information security partner, Ahuja's Networks India, cloud partner, VMware and IBM India, enterprise solution partner, AGC Networks India, print media sponsor, ANCL Dell News, electronic media sponsor, Rupavahini. My special thank goes to the team behind the success of this event, that is the Executive Council of the Computer Society of Sri Lanka. I trust that you will find this conference useful, and I am confident that the participants will take away valuable insights on good practices on using technology for collaborative development. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for attending this event, and I wish you an informative and fruitful conference, and I hope you will enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Krisanta Silva, the President of the Computer Society of Sri Lanka. You provided a brief description about the conference, and we are indeed grateful for your leadership given to the Computer Society of Sri Lanka, who has immensely contributed to the development of the information technology in Sri Lanka. The value of a conference is determined by the value it adds to its members or the participants. And eminent speakers, the professionals, experts in their respective fields have been carefully selected to add value to the participants of the National IT Conference. And I have the privilege of introducing another dynamic speaker to address this distinguished gathering, Mr. Martin Yates. Mr. Yates, who has over 27 years of Infocom project and staff management experience, is an advocate of cloud computing and virtualization technology, which enable and extend business innovation while keeping operational costs transparent and manageable. For 20 years, he has served in 3 leading global ICT companies, namely Digital Equipment Corporation, Compaq Computers, and Hewlett-Packard. During this time, he gained experience in planning, architecting, and implementing IT solutions for diverse industries, ranging from defense, public sector, finance, and manufacturing. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker, Mr. Martin Yates, is the chairman of the Cloud Computing and Virtualization Special Interest Group of Singapore Computer